Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to download Lightroom on your phone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first of all guys, go to Play Store or App Store if you're using iPhone. Then tap search and the search bar, search for Lightroom. Perfect. So this is the Lightroom. Then tap install and wait until finish downloading Lightroom on your phone. After installing Lightroom, then tap open and tap escape. And now you need to create a new account. Here you can create an account with Google. Tap continue with Google and select your email account, then tap sign in, and here select your birthday, then tap create account, then tap continue, then tap allow all, then tap allow, and perfect. Now we have successfully create our account. Now you can edit your picture as you want. For example, if you want to edit any picture, just tap on it, and here you can edit the colors, you can add the filters, so you have the full control to edit your picture. So if we tap edit here, we can edit colors here. You can adjust the light. You can also add effects here, and you can edit the detail. So that's it, how you can edit your picture on your Lightroom. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and see you to the next video.